Ernie Cappello here from WindowFix with some good questions to be asking if you're looking to replace your windows. The first question you want to ask is the window repairable? I can't tell you how many phone calls we get where we go to the job, people saying they're having a drafty window, but it's not locking properly. We push the top sash up, the top sash down, we lock it, and they're good to go. So make sure your window is working properly because it could be repaired. We can repair windows to go up and down, to lock, and to operate as they're designed. Now, if they're in the locked position and they're working good and you're still getting air leaks and water and infiltration, you want to consider replacement. The second question you want to ask is thermal performance. What's the U value and U factor? These are two terms that are often misconstrued. You want to look for the U factor of the window, the whole window assembly. Not just the center of glass, not just of one component, the whole window assembly. The lower the number, the better. Energy code today is around 0.27. That's a good number. We could go as low as 0.14 with a lot of our window products. Don't forget, at WindowFix, we have solutions and window products from all over the globe, all over the US to fit any application. The third thing you want to look for, which is often overlooked, even by professionals in the trade. I'm always surprised by how people don't consider what application is the window going. Is it a single family home? Is it a mid-rise? Is it a high-rise? You cannot take a residential rated product and put it on the 6th floor. I can't tell you how many calls we get in those circumstances where I walk onto a job, they're getting water leaks because they have an Anderson sliding door made for a 1 to 3 story application on the 6th floor of a terrace, and there's water pouring in. They don't understand why. Wrong product, wrong application. So what's the application? Because each window is assigned and tested with a performance grade, a PG rating, and a design pressure, DP rating. Performance grades are R for residential, CW for commercial, AW for architectural. So my rule of thumb, the way that I view it, is residential rated products 1 to 3 stories. Commercial rated products I put in from 3 to say 15 stories. And then my architectural rated products, I go above the 15th floor. I'll even put AW rated products in any application because I know they're going to perform. What does that mean? What are the differences between those ratings? Each window product is tested. They put it in a test wall. They shoot the same amount of water at it, but what differs is the negative and positive pressure, right? The higher you go up, there's more negative and positive pressure these windows are up against, literally pulling air and water through the window. Okay, so residential rated products are going to be your lowest rated product. In terms of performance grade, CW commercial, think of it as in the middle, AW is the highest, right? So what performance rating? I would, like I said, never put a residential window above the 3rd floor. So it's very important. A lot of people overlook this. They look at U value, they look at what the window aesthetics look like, and they put the wrong window in the wrong application. Like I said, even professionals in the trade struggle with understanding this, okay? Design pressure, that's its ability to stop air, wind, structural load, and forced entry. The higher the number, the better. So I love AW products that are with a design pressure of 100. That means they're basically the highest you could go. You never want to put in a window with a design pressure below 50. Many residential products, many manufacturers out there have design pressures at 30, 35. I don't feel comfortable putting that in for our customers because we guarantee all our work. I like to sleep at night when it rains, so we put in the highest level product. Air infiltration rates is another thing people don't look at. You want something that's below 0.01. Okay? You want to ask for these test reports before you buy a window. I don't care if it's a single family home, a commercial building, or a high rise. You want to ask for test reports. Too many consumers do not know that that information is out there. And it's often hidden by my competitors and different manufacturers because they're not proud of it. They can't hit those ratings, so they kind of hide it to the side. And all they do is focus on U factor, right? This is the most important part to me, what to look for when replacing a window. At WindowFix, we have a multitude of solutions. We work with a variety of manufacturers all over the globe. So we look at the application and we find the right fit for your application so that that window is going to perform. And a lot of our competitors sell one type of product. and they try to force that product into different applications because they want the sale. And that's the wrong way to do it. So make sure you're asking these questions before you purchase a window. Repair, thermal performance, application, performance grade, design pressure, air infiltration.